Hello friends, welcome back to the next session of fractions. We were learning types of fractions. So let's continue from there. Alright. Third type of fraction is unit fractions. What is unit fraction? Unit fractions are those fractions where the numerator is always 1. See, we call it unit place, ones place. So, it tells itself that unit means 1. Numerator will be 1. So, in such fractions, numerator are always 1. Okay. For example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6 and so on. Unit fraction is also called proper fraction. You remember proper? What was the property of a proper fraction? In a proper fraction, numerator is always smaller than the denominator. And here it proves numerator is smaller than the denominator, whether it is 1, 2, 3 or anything. Right? If it is 1 and smaller than the denominator, it is called proper fraction as well. But here in the unit fraction, it is fixed when it is 1 in the numerator. It is called the unit fraction. Moving on to the next point, like fractions. What is like fractions? नाम से ही पता लग रहा है what is like. Like means where something is same. Where something is same. Now what is same here? In such kind of fractions, denominators are always like or same. Okay. In such kind of fractions, denominators are always like or same. Let's take few examples. For example, 5 upon 6, comma 2 upon 6, comma 3 upon 6, comma let's take 4 upon 6 and so on. So we can see here denominators are same. Like fractions, same denominators. Just link it with this line. Okay. Then we have unlike fractions. Now what is unlike fraction? Like, same denominators. Unlike, not same. Different. Unlike, not same. Different. What is different? Denominators. So, in such kind of fractions, denominators are unlike, oblique, different, oblique, not same. ठीक है? So again we are taking few examples for it. For example, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8, 9 upon 10 and so on. Here I can see denominators are not same. So they are called unlike fractions. Alright. Now we have one more type of fraction which is called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, that means it is a mixture of something. That means two types of numbers will be there. Which all two types of numbers will be there? Let's see. All right, let's do it. Give me 2 seconds. Till that time, you recapitulate whatever I have taught today. Okay. So we have done different type of fractions. We have done like fractions. We have done unlike fractions. We have done unit fractions. Like fraction says my denominators are same. Unlike fraction says my denominators are not same or different. Unit fraction says my numerator is always 1. And unit fraction is also called the proper fraction. Moving on to the next type of fractions, which is called mixed fraction. Okay, so let's write it. Mixed fractions. So what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction number. So first we will write the definition. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction number. So we are talking about whole number, natural number, right? So let's take one example. For example, I have eaten 3, you can take anything. For example, 3 chapatis or roti plus हाफ मोर चपाती. आज मम्मा ने बनाया था शाही पनीर, तो मुझे बहुत टेस्टी लगा. Then I asked my mama to give me half chapati more. So in that situation, how will you represent that 3.5 chapati in the form of fraction number? That I'm going to show you. 3 plus half roti. So it will be written as 3 by 1 upon 2. So this is whole. 3 whole chapatis you have eaten. ठीक है? So 3 whole chapatis you have eaten. Plus, because of shahi paneer or kadai paneer, you have eaten half more chapati. तो ऐसा हमेशा थोड़ी होता है कि हम लोग 2 ही चपाती खाएं और 3 और 4. Right? Sometimes little less or little more चलता है, right? As per the taste, as per the situation, correct? तो आज भाई हमने खाई 3 plus half chapati. Then it will be written as 3 by 1 upon 2. And if you want to represent it in the form of picture, you will represent it like that. See children, till that time you cannot connect, you are not able to connect your concept with real life, there is no meaning of learning any topic. तो सबसे पहले हमें कनेक्ट करना आना चाहिए whatever we are learning, whatever chapters are, whichever chapters are there in your maths book, they all are connected, very well connected with your daily लाइफ विद योर रूटीन. बस हमें आना चाहिए. और कोई भी चीज सीखते हुए ये ध्यान रखिए कि उसका लाइफ में एक यूज है. देयर इज अ पर्पस ऑफ लर्निंग बिहाइंड इट. ओके, सो just learn that thing with that thought process. That will give you more clarity, that will give you accuracy. Okay, so one more example I'm taking for this mixed fraction. For example, I want to represent 5 chocolates and 1/4 chocolate. How will you represent it? In a birthday party, let's connect it. In a birthday party, my best friend gave me 5 chocolates. So, I have got 5 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, ये आपका chocolate है. And 1/4 chocolate, how does it, like how will you represent it? Let's see. 1 chocolate, so this is 1/4 part of 1 chocolate. and these are 5 chocolates. See, these are whole 5 chocolates. इसमें कोई sharing नहीं है, कोई division नहीं है, किसी को दिया नहीं है. You have got all 5 whole chocolates. Plus आपका मन किया तो आपके फ्रेंड ने अपनी चॉकलेट में से आपको 1/4 पार्ट और दे दिया. अब उसको हमने फ्रैक्शंस में कैसे लिखना है? How will you represent those 5 and 1/4 of the chocolate in the form of fraction? See, it will be written as 5 by 1/4, and this is called the picture representation of those 5 and 1/4 chocolate. So children, today we have completed all types of fractions which we use in real life, and now you can easily identify types of fraction from your questions. So that's it for today's class. Tomorrow onwards we will learn the new topic. In next session we will learn the next topic. Till the time, bye bye. Keep revising and learning. Bye.